Today we are in the weapons standardization hangar on Osan Air Force Base. So today we held the bomb build and load competition. 2 crews from ammo compete on buildup of a GBU-54 laser and GPS guided munition. The weapons load competition started in 1982 and we've been doing them annually and quarterly since then. It's a tradition in the weapons and ammo career field, just to showcase the best of the best loaders. So they compete against each other in time as well as technical proficiency and safeties and reliabilities. So all of that's taken into account and tallied up at the end of the load. So not necessarily if you finish first doesn't always mean you win. They take the best of the best and put it in the competition for the annual. We'll be announcing the winners for the bomb build competition at the Maintenance Professional of the Year ceremony.